Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. The PlayStation Network has been server down. The PlayStation Network and the network connected error problem. Let me the checkings and the different gaming error problem, but any same error problem. The PlayStation Network at countrywide the unable to maintenance and error code WS-116449-5. The error problems and different countries and the logins, PlayStations and PlayStation network and countrywide. The error code is the same maintenance problem, but any problem the updated and the first of all Chrome browser opens and search the don't detective website and let's go the checkings and don't detective website open the loading and PlayStation networks as the server crashing problems and server crashing and server has been 45263 reporting problems and locations and server connected 70% the error problems logging and politicians and different the audience the commented the PlayStation is hacker and the different with error problem the PlayStation and applications and different devices the error problem the PlayStation networks and gaming play error problems the our player the apps and gamings and the server has be crashing problems the PlayStation the easily problem the solution updated and officially executed handle the share error problems and the officially team the announcement and the share problem solution updated now. Thanks for watching these videos and